welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to change or delete Google account recovery phone number. So today's video is important, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. So guys, now I'm open a browser and click Gmail account and wait for loaded page. Just I am Google alert and security alert, two-step verification turn on. So click settings, see all settings. Now Google account and import, change password, recovery options, and now attempt suspicious item in sign in your password. So now click on recovery phone number. So type your password. So guys, I am just click at password, and now recovery phone number used to reach in your case. We detected unusual activity in your account to your accident to get logged out. Okay, when you change recovery number and may able to choose of get sign in code and into your previous recovery phone number on week. So guys, now add recovery number and accidentally Gmail get logged out, then you will code sent to your previous recovery phone number just a 1 week, so your account is safe. So I hope like this video. Goodbye.